guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing just this nice beachy bronzy look. Just something quick and easy that you can do for the end of summer. So if you want to see how I got this look here, then please keep on watching. Starting off, I've already moisturized. I used my Glycelene Skin Supplement and I used my Honua Aloha Youth Serum and my Tata Harper Restorative Eye Cream. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, which I'll fast forward since we've already covered that in a video. Okay, brows are on. So next I'm going to go in with foundation, and today I'm going to use the Hourglass Vanish stick. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my face, and I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend it out. I've been hearing so many good things about this foundation, so I thought I would give it a try today. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Nars Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I'll just do a little bit under here where my darkness is. So now that my foundation and concealer is done, I'm going to go ahead and set it, and I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush on it. So next I'm going to be going in with my bronzer, which is the Soleil Tan de Chanel. I really like this shade, and I'm just going to take a Duo Fiber brush, which this one's by MAC. I've been using it for a couple days, so that's why it's dirty. But I just go in and I just lightly buff this bronzer around my forehead, anywhere that the sun would naturally hit. So I get my forehead, I get my cheeks, I like to sweep it across the bridge of my nose because that's like where the sun would hit. You know, you get your eyebrow bone, the sun would naturally hit there. I'll put a little on my eyelids, put a little bit on my chin, and down my neck, onto my chest. Get myself nice and bronzy. And you always want to make sure everything blends seamlessly. I like to go in with the beauty blender, just check it out a little bit. That's that for bronzer, and then what I usually like to do when I'm going for like a bronzy summery look is I like to use like an orangey, tangerine, peachy blush color. I think that really complements the tan really well. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm going to go in with this like super bright color Miami. So I like to just smile and lightly get the color on my cheeks. Next I'll go in with my highlighter, and I'm going to use the Glossier Haloscope in Quartz. I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger. And then got some highlight going on. So it's just like a nice glow, like you're outside in the summer. Now that that's on, then I'm going to go in and do my eyelashes, which I'm still using the Hourglass Caution mascara because that is like my favorite mascara now. Okay, mascara is on. I'm going to go in and see if there's anywhere I need to clean up. Grab a little Q-tip. I always get real messy with my mascara. I don't mean to, but you know what happens. Okay, so mascara is done. Now I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Scattered Light in Reflect. I like to do this just as like a quick little eye topper. I don't really do a whole lot. I just take this Pat McGrath brush. It's like a fluffy brush. It's super soft, and I just dip it in a couple times, and then I just go over my eyelid and This color is so pretty though. And it's like so, it's such like an interesting texture, this eyeshadow. And because I already put bronzer in the crease there and on my like upper eyelid, it gives it like some extra definition. Okay, and then lastly, I'm just going to apply this Pacifica Devocean natural lipstick in Tenderness. It smells good. And then I'm going to go over it with the birthdaybalm.com by Glossier. I decided that it smells just like cotton candy, and now I love this and can't get enough. It's so pretty and it just smells good. Oh, it smells so good. So yeah, there's the completed look. Just like a nice fun ponytail, very beachy, very bronzy for the end of summer, which is sad that it's the end of summer, but that just means it's closer to Christmas. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys liked this look, and if you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any other questions or comments or videos you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comments down below as well. Or you can also hit me up on Instagram, and my handle is @klovin. You're always welcome to come there and give me a little comment on any videos you would like to see. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!